In this video, I'm going to be sharing a drastic bathroom remodel, complete with lots of before and after footage. So brace yourself because it's coming up next. Welcome to Renos for Pros and Joes, helping you simplify the renovation and remodeling process. On this channel, we cover remodeling, repair, and real estate, as well as hands-on product tool and gear reviews. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm Kendall Jenrette. I'm a licensed general contractor and real estate agent here in the Atlanta metro area. And if you happen to be interested in doing a bathroom remodel of your own and want some additional insight, be sure to check out my bathroom design and planning guide. Links to all my information will be in the description box below. Today's video is special and a little bit different because we're going to be doing a bathroom remodel before and after, complete with video footage and photos. And this is an excellent property to showcase because the before and afters are going to be very drastic based on the overall poor condition of this bathroom. So without any further ado, let's jump into that footage. Okay, so we're entering into this space from the master bedroom. If you look up, you can see that there is another entry door on the other side of the room leading from the hallway. We will actually be eliminating this doorway completely. This is a 3-bedroom home, and this is currently the only full bathroom, but not for long. As part of this project, we're going to be converting this space into a master bathroom because we're designing and building a new 3-piece bathroom in the hallway. As you look around this bathroom, it's easy to see that basically everything in this space is completely worn out, to say the least. Right here in front of the tub, there is a mysterious green board. We'll come back to discuss that here shortly. Look at this pile of old, moldy, loose tiles over here in the corner. And can you imagine hopping in this tub to take a quick shower? As you can see, there are lots of missing tiles on the floor, and this door looks like it's ready to fall off the hinges. Man, look at that tub surround. And then there's the floors. It looks like there's lots of pieces of old chewing gum stuck to many of the remaining tiles. Maybe that's what's holding them in place. This house says central air, but for some reason there's a window AC unit, but there isn't an outlet to plug it in. Go figure. One thing that appears to be in better condition than anything else in this bathroom is this patchwork quilt themed wallpaper. Now we're entering into the bathroom space from the hallway just to give you a different vantage point, and as you can see, it's more of the same. Remember that during this remodel, we're going to actually close this doorway so there will only be one entrance into this bathroom, which will effectively make it into a master bathroom. As we kind of pan around here, you can just see that the shape of the bathroom is just really bad. Look how much soil there is on all of the tub surround tiles. That's corrugated sign material and tape used to prevent water from getting behind the shower valves there inside of the shower tub surround. Patched toilet seat, patched toilet paper holder, and we're out of here.
There was a board that we found that was laying directly in front of the tub, and we just assumed that was to keep the occupants' feet safe from the damaged tile on the floors. When we moved the board, we got a surprise and just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So check this out real quickly. This is the floor system in the bathroom, and it's got tile. If you pan this way, you see there's a lot of tiles that are missing all over the place here. A lot of tiles are actually loose, as you can see. This is the board that we saw that was here. We just assumed this was to help protect feet from the jagged tiles. So we moved the board back, and this is what we found. That is a direct view down into the basement in the lower level. If you see, that's the top of the washing machine that is visible through the floor. And a trash can down there, I believe. So, in any case, just wanted to show you guys that real quickly. It can be repaired, it will be repaired.
And ta-da, here we are in the freshly remodeled master bathroom. And yes, this is the same bathroom. As you can see that we eliminated that doorway over there to the left-hand side, and you can see that we have redone everything in this space Floors, doors, cabinets, countertops, tile, tub, mirror, light fixtures, the works. Today I am in a master bathroom that we recently completed, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Needless to say, guys, this one was really rough all around. So we ended up having to basically go back from scratch. Previously there was a big hole in the floor here where you could see the laundry area. There was a trash can, I believe, and then a washing machine that was visible right here in the floor. And then the tub and tile and everything was in pretty rough condition. So we have replaced everything in this space. So as we kind of pan around this space, you can see that we've got a nice snazzy new mirror there, new drywall, new window treatments and windows, nice porcelain tile with a Carrera marble mosaic tile accents, new bathtub, new floor tile, new toilet, new baseboards and trim, new nice granite countertops. Here's a closer look at that Carrera marble mosaic tile, which created a really clean look. In this bathroom, we did go back with a cast iron tub, which you don't frequently see, I guess mainly because of the difficulty of installation. The cast iron tubs are still sold for your information, and they do tend to hold heat a lot better than the steel tubs or the hybrid tubs and things like that they create now. However, the weight of these cast iron tubs is typically the deterrent because they frequently weigh 300 or 400 pounds, and it is a beast to get them into their final location. We essentially put everything back in the same location. So if you remember in the previous video, our commode was in the same location approximately, and we did have an oversized single vanity there. So we have gone back with the same overall floor plan and everything, and just upgraded everything to a more modern style. You'd be amazed what you can do and how much you can change the overall look of a space just by updating what you have here. And granted, this is more than an update because we replaced everything. I think previously our floors and everything were chipped up in a bunch of pieces, and there was a board and everything over the floor and here in front of the tub to keep you from falling through. So we've come a long way, admittedly. Hopefully you found this video informative or at least entertaining to see what the after product looks like. And if you've got an upcoming renovation project, remember that we do provide renovation support services, Q&A, as well as floor plan design services. So I'll link below to the website where you can learn more about that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.